Welcome to Anatomy of Life, where we explore the incredible systems that keep the human body alive. From the brain and heart to hormones, organs, and disease, we break down complex medical science into clear, fascinating stories about how your body works. Because understanding your body is the first step to protecting your health. This is Anatomy of Life. Welcome to part 2 of the heart. Imagine a pump that must move blood in only one direction. To accomplish this task, the heart relies on four remarkable valves. These valves act like one-way doors, opening to allow blood forward and closing to prevent it from flowing backward. Every heartbeat depends on their precision. The four valves are tricuspid valve, located between the right atrium and right ventricle. When the right atrium contracts, the tricuspid valve opens, allowing blood into the right ventricle. As the ventricle contracts, the valve closes tightly. This prevents blood from leaking backward. Pulmonary valve, located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. When the right ventricle contracts, blood is pushed toward the lungs. The pulmonary valve opens to allow passage and immediately closes afterward. Mitral valve, also called the bicuspid valve, located between the left atrium and left ventricle. It contains two flaps instead of three. The mitral valve controls blood flow into the powerful left ventricle. Aortic valve, the final gateway before blood enters the body's circulation, located between the left ventricle and the aorta. Every heartbeat forces oxygen-rich blood through this valve and into the body. Tiny structures called chordae tendineae attach some valve leaflets to papillary muscles. These structures are often called the heartstrings. They prevent valve prolapse during contraction. Without these valves, circulation would become inefficient and life-threatening. The journey of blood through the heart. To understand the heart, we must follow the path of blood. This journey repeats continuously from birth until death. Let's follow a single drop of blood. The journey begins in the tissues of the body. After delivering oxygen and nutrients, the blood becomes oxygen poor. It returns to the heart through two large veins. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. The blood enters the right atrium. Next, it passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts. Blood is pushed through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries. These arteries carry blood to the lungs. Inside the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed. Fresh oxygen enters the bloodstream. The oxygen-rich blood returns through four pulmonary veins. It enters the left atrium. The blood then passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The powerful left ventricle contracts. Blood rushes through the aortic valve into the aorta. From there, arteries distribute oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. Then the cycle begins again. This continuous circuit is known as double circulation. One circuit serves the lungs, the other serves the body. Every heartbeat keeps this journey in motion. The heart pumps blood to the entire body. But how does the heart receive its own blood supply? The answer lies in the coronary arteries. These vessels branch from the base of the aorta. The two main coronary arteries are right coronary artery, supplies much of the right side of the heart. Left coronary artery divides into important branches, including left anterior, descending artery, circumflex artery. These vessels supply oxygen to the heart muscle itself. Without coronary circulation, the myocardium would quickly die. Even a brief interruption can cause serious damage. Coronary veins collect oxygen-poor blood from the heart muscle. They drain into a large vessel called the coronary sinus. The blood then returns to the right atrium. The heart's own circulation is essential for survival. Ironically, the organ that supplies blood to the body depends on its own blood supply to stay alive. The heart's electrical system. Unlike most pumps, the heart generates its own electrical impulses. This unique system allows the heart to beat automatically. The heartbeat begins in a small cluster of specialized cells called the sinoatrial node. The SA node is located in the right atrium. It is often called the natural pacemaker of the heart. The SA node generates an electrical signal. This signal spreads across both atria. The atria contract. Blood is pushed into the ventricles. The signal then reaches the atrioventricular node, known as the AV node. The AV node briefly delays the impulse. This pause allows the ventricles to fill completely. The electrical impulse continues through bundle of his right bundle branch, left bundle branch, Purkinje fibers. The ventricles then contract. Blood is pumped into the lungs and body. This sequence repeats approximately once every second. The result is a perfectly coordinated heartbeat. Disruptions to this electrical system can cause arrhythmias. Some arrhythmias are harmless. Others can be life-threatening. The electrical system is the invisible conductor of the heart's orchestra. The cardiac cycle. Every heartbeat consists of two major phases. Diastole, the relaxation phase. The chambers fill with blood. Pressure inside the heart decreases. The ventricles prepare for the next contraction. Systole, the contraction phase. The ventricles squeeze forcefully. Blood is propelled into the pulmonary artery and aorta. The familiar lub-dub sound comes from valve closure. Lub occurs when the atrioventricular valves close. Dub occurs when the semilunar valves close. These sounds indicate proper valve function. A healthy adult heart typically beats between 60 and 100 times per minute. Over a lifetime, this cycle repeats billions of times. Yet the heart rarely misses a beat. Thank you for watching Anatomy of Life. We hope you enjoyed today's journey into the incredible world of the human body and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest anatomy and health content. Share this video with friends and family who love learning about the amazing science of life. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonders of the human body. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.